Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, the place where words come alive. Today, we're exploring the intriguing word lordly. So, what does lordly mean? The word comes from a lord, and when we add ly, it takes on the sense of acting like a lord. At its core, lordly means noble, majestic, or impressive in manner. But it can also describe someone who behaves in a proud, superior, or even arrogant way. Think of two different uses. On the positive side, someone might give you a lordly gift, meaning generous and grand. On the negative side, you might say a person has a lordly attitude if they look down on others. Now, let's talk about synonyms, words with a similar meaning. For the noble and grand sense, synonyms include majestic, dignified, regal, noble, and stately. For the proud or arrogant side, you could use haughty, overbearing, conceited, supercilious, or arrogant. And what about antonyms, the opposite words? Instead of lordly, you might use humble, modest, simple, meek, or unassuming. Here's a quick memory tip. Picture a medieval castle. If the lord stands tall with dignity, that's the regal, noble side of lordly. But if he looks down on his peasants with disdain, that's the arrogant side of lordly. The same word, two shades of meaning. So next time you want to add flavor to your writing, try swapping in lordly or one of its synonyms. It's a word that carries weight and attitude. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more word wisdom.